Welcome to Study Loop.
We know that metals have higher conductivities as compared to the sand. Therefore, on cold nights, when it is too cold, on cold, cold nights, nights, on cold nights, there is much more contraction in metals as compared to the sand. Therefore, noises are heard. It is actually the greater expansion of metals than the sand. End of the problem. Thank you for watching.